Today's word is melancholia, spelled M-E-L-A-N-C-H-O-L-I-A. Melancholia is a noun. It refers to a feeling of sadness or depression. It is also used to refer to a sad tone or quality that one perceives in something, such as a work of art or literature. Here's the word used in a sentence from Pitchfork by Sue Park. His last single, 2020's Finding Rest in a Weary World, was impressive but relatively subdued, tinged with ambient melancholia, even as the beat hit its stride. When is a word full of humor, yet far from humorous? The word melancholia traces back to the Greek melan, meaning black or dark, and chole, meaning bile. Medical practitioners once adhered to the system of humors, bodily fluids that included black bile, yellow bile, blood, and phlegm. An imbalance of these humors was thought to lead to disorders of the mind and body. One suffering from an excess of black bile, believed to be secreted by the kidneys or spleen, could become sullen, unsociable, and liable to depression. Today, doctors no longer ascribe physical and mental disorders to disruptions of the four humors, but the word melancholia is still used in psychiatry as a general term for despondency. With your word of the day, I'm Peter Sokolowski.